Python Redis, is Redis a programming language? Redis, Remote Dictionary Server, is an open source, in-memory data structure store that can be used as a database, cache, and message broker. It supports various data structures such as strings, hashes, lists, sets, and sorted sets. In Python, developers interact with Redis using libraries like RedisPy, making it easy to integrate Redis into web applications, APIs, and background task systems. Why use Redis? 1. Performance * extremely fast, with sub-millisecond response times. 2. Scalability * can handle millions of requests per second. 3. Persistence options * supports in-memory storage with optional persistence to disk. 4. Versatility * works as a cache, message queue, and even a real-time analytics engine. 5. Data structures * supports various data types beyond key-value storage. Common use cases. 1. Caching * store frequently accessed data, example user sessions, API responses. 2. Session management * manage user sessions for web applications. 3. Message queues * use Redis as a message broker in systems like Celery or RQ. 4. Real-time analytics * track user actions, page views, and event logs. 5. Pub/sub messaging * build real-time chat applications or notification systems. Installing Redis for Python. 1. Redis server installation * install Redis on your system, Linux/Mac/Windows. 2. RedisPy library installation * pip install Redis basic Python Redis example connecting to Redis * import Redis # connect to Redis server r equals redis.redis, host equals localhost. Port equals 6379, db equals 0, # set a value r.set, username. John_do, # get the value equals r.get, username, .decode, UTF-8. Print, f stored username, value, - data structure examples. 1. Strings * r.set, key, value, print, r.get, key, .decode, UTF-8. 2. Lists * r.repush, tasks, task 1, task 2, task 3, print, r.range, tasks. 0, -1, 3. Hashes * r.set, user 1000, name, Alice, r.set, user 1000, age, 30, print, r.getal, user 1000. 4. Sets * Python r.sad, fruits, apple, banana, cherry, print, r.members, fruits. 5. Pub/sub messaging * pub/sub equals r.pub/sub, pub/sub.subscribe, channel 1. r.publish, channel 1, hello, Redis. Message equals pub/sub.get_message. Print, message, - advanced Redis use cases. 1. Task queues * use Redis with Celery or RQ for background tasks. 2. Distributed locks * manage locks in distributed systems. 3. Rate limiting * control API request rates using counters. 4. Leaderboard systems * use sorted sets for ranking systems. Redis in production, persistence modes * RDB snapshots * save data periodically. AOF, append only file log all write operations for durability. Replication * set up master-slave replication for high availability. Clustering * use Redis cluster for distributed deployments.